Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Voila Alfredo chicken. First, gather your ingredients: 1 bag of Voila Alfredo chicken, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a large skillet. Make sure your skillet is big enough to hold everything comfortably. It's always a good idea to quickly read the package instructions for any specific notes or tips before you begin. This ensures you have all the necessary items and understand the process for a smooth cooking experience. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully add the entire contents of the Voila Alfredo chicken bag into the hot pan. It's important to stir the ingredients frequently during this stage. This helps prevent anything from sticking to the bottom and ensures that all the chicken and pasta cook evenly, setting you up for a delicious meal. Once the chicken is mostly cooked through and you notice the sauce starting to thicken, reduce the heat to medium-low. Now, cover the skillet with a lid and let it simmer gently for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This simmering time allows the pasta to become perfectly tender. Remember to stir occasionally even while covered, just to make sure the sauce is well distributed and nothing sticks. Finally, remove the skillet from the heat and let it rest for just 1 to 2 minutes. This brief resting period helps the flavors meld beautifully. For an extra touch, you can garnish your dish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve your Voila Alfredo chicken immediately as a complete, satisfying meal, perhaps alongside a simple, fresh green salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.